simultaneously. And you also find what's interesting in, a prime example is idealism and materialism. Idealism postulates that mind, thoughts, and experience is the fundamental substance in the universe. Materialism postulates that because of the physical body and the physical brain and the electrical charges or the billions of neurons firing between synapses, this implicates the emergence of mind, thoughts, experience, beliefs, emotions, and feelings. So there's a sort of kind of rivalry also between ideas.
There you have it, folks. My depiction of a butterfly. Yay!